There's no viewfinder, so that was purely. All right, let's see if this works for the purposes that I want it to work for. So today, I'm always trying something new. I'm on the GoPro today. I don't know what I'm filming at, but okay. So I've been trying to make a certain setup work, and I got really excited about it, but I don't know if it's going to happen today. I want to start the channel off like I said in my introductory video yesterday, and I want to film. I want to do some filming. No, there's no viewfinder, so that was purely left. So I want to start the day off by recording with this Lumix LX7. This camera was state of the art when it came out. I forget now, 2010 maybe. It's still good. It's still quality. It's got a Leica lens, a Summilux lens, which is one of my favorites. Summicron, Summilux. I think the Lux gives it a little warmer aesthetic, and a warmer aesthetic for me, not for everybody, because I know people have different ideas of different lenses, and that's fine. But Summilux. So today I'm going to take this camera. I've got one battery. Let me see what the battery life is like. Full battery. So that's probably going to last me an hour. Yeah, the batteries in these guys don't last that long. You know how we do it here? We do it one battery. So a lot of these cameras I sell, right? So I find these cameras and then I refurbish them a little bit, clean them up real good, test them, make sure everything works, and then I'll sell them, flip them. And this is one of those cameras where, there's a couple things that are a little quirky. It's a great camera. If I ever did sell it, I would definitely immediately start looking for another one in the exact same model because it's that good. One of these things where, the focus button is a little loose, the SD card is a little, I think the reader inside is a little bit misaligned from the frame of the camera, so you really got to wiggle it down right. Because I know if I sold it to somebody, they get it, they try to put a memory card in it, they'd either break it or say, oh, there's no memory card, it's not working, I got to return it. So one of these things that I'm just going to keep and just enjoy the heck out of it because I know that it's perfect for me. Let's shoot with this today. Lumix LX7. Not a fantastic camera to start the channel, but a good one to start the channel. And I'm not trying to be like the vintage guys that shoot vintage tech or vintage cameras. I'm just shooting. I have this older camera. I'm shooting with it to show that it still has good life in it. I'm gonna throw the pictures up in the video, like now. So pictures like that, and you'll see different cameras and how they still take amazing photographs and what trade-offs you might have for yourself. Like, oh, I saw that, but I really didn't like the way it softened up this, or really didn't like the way it accented this, or something like that. So you'll be able to see firsthand and then judge accordingly based on your needs and your desires. So stay tuned, guys. Let's check out the LX7.